Hey there. Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about the head and shoulders top and head and shoulders bottom pattern, and both of these are reversal patterns. Alright, and what this basically looks like is you will see like the market will start to go up, okay, and it might go sideways for a bit, and then it will shoot up, and then it might come back down, and then shoot back down again. Alright, this area here is the left shoulder, this area here is the right shoulder, and this area here is the head. Okay, now it's only a head and shoulders top if the pattern actually breaks and goes the other way. So you can see the general direction was an uptrend, okay, and along here is referred to as the neckline, and it's only a head and shoulders top if the neckline is broken, okay, and it breaks right there. Alright, sometimes your neckline will come down at that angle, sometimes your neckline will be going at that angle. Alright, same thing with, vice versa for the head and shoulders bottoms. Let's go ahead to the chart and see if we can show you some examples. Alright, the best way to really look for a head and shoulders top or bottom is to look for 2 points where the market is found and then moved away from. Like for instance, we have a point where the market had come down, stopped, and it's come down and met that line again, and it's gone back up. So here we can start to see that there is the left shoulder, there is the right shoulder, and there is the head. And then we draw the lines up basically like so, and there is your break. Some people might actually might want to put it there, and put their break there. But I think the first place where we got it will be good enough. Okay. Here is like, this would be no good because there's no right shoulder, no left shoulder, beg your pardon. I mean, there seems to be a little bit of a right shoulder, but there isn't really much that I would really call a worthy pattern to go off. Okay, let's see if we can find some more examples. Because generally what you'll see is that the head and shoulders pattern will basically be at the top of trends mostly. Alright, but sometimes you will find them like here. Alright, here is one area I believe that we could use. Let's use what is one area, and there's the other area. There's the left, there's the right, there's the head, and where can we put our mark? We could even put our mark through there, or put a mark through there, and there's somewhere along this bar section would be the area to go short. It's not very well long lived, it's a very short trade. But I don't really tend to trade off of head and shoulders patterns, to be quite honest. I don't really find them all that useful, unless I actually see one that looks like this. This is like, without a doubt a nice setup. Okay, and I'll just basically try and find where I can draw a line here. There's a couple of areas where you could possibly take it from, I guess. I mean, one could be from here and draw the line down like that, or one could be from here and draw the line from up there. Either way, both works. Alright, so it can get a little bit tricky where to actually put your lines sometimes, because you'll have a couple of areas to choose from to draw your neckline off. I don't see any head and shoulders bottoms at the moment. No, I'm not really seeing any head and shoulders bottoms right now, so I'm not gonna, bore you too much with me trying to find them. It's just, yeah, I can't really find any. Alright, okay, so I mean, you get the basic idea, I hope. Okay. So when you see the pattern form, you just basically put a trend line, through the 2 shoulders, the left and the right, just underneath, the head, and so you can draw that neckline in. Alright, and once you've got that neckline in, you just basically wait for it to break. But also make sure that where the point where it breaks is that you got to be sure that there's no immediate support, after the break. I mean, like here we go. Here's, I mean, it's not a head and shoulders bottom, but it's a head and shoulders top. Right, there's the head, left, right, and then I would take this probably like so, and then take it through here, and then I'll probably target down here at the bottom as the TP somewhere. And there's another area that got supported as well, so that kind of goes well. Alright, so I will leave you with that video. Alright, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye for now.